Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roll pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a small pinch of salt. Having these ready ensures a smooth start. Also, make sure your workspace is clean and spacious for kneading. A good rolling pin or a pasta machine will be essential for the next steps. Now, let's make the dough. On your clean surface, pile the flour and salt, then make a well in the center. Crack the 2 eggs into the well. Using a fork, slowly incorporate the flour from the edges into the eggs until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. With your rested dough, it's time to roll. Divide the dough into 2 or 3 manageable portions. Lightly flour your work surface and the dough itself to prevent sticking. Roll each piece as thinly as possible, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. If using a pasta machine, start on the widest setting and gradually decrease it, passing the dough through each setting until it's perfectly thin. Finally, let's cut and cook your fresh pasta. You can cut the rolled sheets into various shapes, like fettuccine, tagliatelle, or even lasagna sheets. Dust the cut pasta with a little semolina flour to keep it from sticking together. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Cook your fresh pasta for just 2 to 3 minutes until al dente. Serve it immediately with your favorite sauce and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.